Hello friends, I'm Andrey Rossalev, worldwide art and fashion photographer, and this is the backstage of my cover story shoot for the magazine and a few secrets of creating art illumination. So let's go! It should be dark in the studio, then you can create as an artist painting a picture. The white cyclorama. All illumination here is continuous light. On the left, I use Godox AD200pro as a modeling lamp that shines in my silver panel to achieve abstract patterns on the background. On the right, Godox V1 flash as a modeling lamp at full power with a red filter and band doors creating a narrow band as an accent on the background. AD200pro with the modeling lamp as a key light. Another AD200pro as an accent on choosing clothes. Next, I added AD200pro on the right, which shines through the file folder, and the applied gel and disco ball. The next scene. This is the mixed light, the combination of flash and continuous light. AD600pro flash is aimed at the white ceiling with the slight tilt on the model. I added a color conversion filter, minimum power. Two AD200pro flashes with the same power on both sides of the model, as a backlight. Also I added a red filter. Pay attention to the band of the filter. It will create an artistic pattern on the background. The video light is directed at the disco ball, fluid in my space with an abstract pattern. And now attention as the mixed light looks like. All three flashes have the modeling light turned off. It's pretty subtle customization. It depends on the height of the ceiling and so on. The shooting without a tripod. The next scene, all illumination is continuous light. Godox V1 as a key light with a modeling lamp at full power with a narrow band doors. On the left, AD200pro as a modeling lamp that shines on my silver panel to achieve abstract patterns on the background. AD600pro with minimum power as a fill light. I turned him to the side. Astonishing art drawing and mood. The next scene, the white cyclorama. On the right, AD200pro as a modeling lamp that shines on my silver panel. Two black screens create a narrow line of light. Four color filters are attached to the screens. Behind is a video light. AD600pro as a fill light with a color conversion filter and minimum power. On the left, there are two small lights on the floor to enhance the perspective of the lines and the amazing depth of the composition. This is only half of the interesting schemes from this shooting. To be continued. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I wish you a great inspiration.